can you talk about like your stuff like in high school? Like, did you like experience any like pressure, and like how did you manage that?
When I was in high school, I think I put a lot of pressure on myself to excel and to be a really good student. And I think a lot of that was like internal pressure. Like I just wanted to do well. One of the things that helped me kind of like cope with the stress of school and homework and everything was cross country. I think the main thing that helped me cope was the strong community that I formed because of it. But I also found that it was like a great kind of like mindfulness thing. When you get into the flow of running, it helps just like alleviate your thoughts and let things kind of pass through you, and also just a lot of great time outdoors. So like to this day, running is like one of my kind of main hobbies. I try to run like every day, making time for myself to process thoughts or just like not be sitting at a desk. And it's a great way for me to also socialize with friends sometimes, like go on a run together.